Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the Tecsun PL990. It is a receiver radio. Been using this for the better part of 2 years, and we are in the Ozark Mountains in Arkansas, north central Arkansas, and we commonly hear our ham radio friends from all over the world, Wisconsin especially, and this is a great way to have FM, AM, shortwave, ham radio, kind of an all-mode radio for listening to whatever you want to listen to. It does have a very robust antenna, internal antenna, with external antenna options as well. It does have the headphones as well as line out, and then the battery charger. One of the things I've noticed the most with this is the battery life on this thing is phenomenal. It really has a nice tuner. All the buttons, the fit and finish feel really good. It has the bass and treble. If you want to concentrate more on bass or treble, you can pick things out of the weeds a little bit more if you go to one or the other. I usually listen to 40 meters on this thing. We do radio practices every Monday night, and it really is one of the staple radios for just listening. If you don't have your ham radio license yet, this is also a fantastic radio to get as you get into amateur radio and listening to the shortwave radio stations from all over the world. It does have a little kickstand on the back, so you can set it down, and the antenna, can go whichever direction you want it to go, or you can plug in the external antenna as well. The case on this thing has taken quite a bit of abuse. We had a major hit in the vehicle, and it protected the radio from damage. This case did its job. It is quality stitching on the case. There is a little pocket in there as well, and a lanyard. The radio itself is very low weight. It has a very nice speaker, and definitely getting a lot of bang for the buck here. This is one of the higher quality radios in my opinion. And we've had quite a few different shortwave radios in the past. This one's the nicest one we've ever had. So it has a lot of functions and features on it. This is just kind of what we think about this radio. Definitely worth it. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.